For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a distribution business can be highly profitable if structured well. From sourcing products to building a supply chain, marketing, logistics, and customer service, AI can help streamline each part of the process. This step-by-step guide walks you through how to launch a successful distribution business using AI tools effectively. Step 1. Define your niche and market. Use AI to research and identify profitable distribution niches, such as food and beverage, electronics, health products, or construction materials. AI tools: ChatGPT, Google Bard, Market Muse. Exploding topics. Prompt example: ChatGPT. Give me a list of fast-growing distribution niches in 2025 with high profit margins and low barriers to entry. Action steps: identify industries you're familiar with or passionate about. Use AI to analyze market demand and competition. Choose your niche and narrow it down to specific product categories. Step 2. Write a business plan with AI assistance. A business plan is your blueprint. AI can help you structure it quickly and tailor it to your goals. AI tools: ChatGPT, Notion AI, UpMetrics, AI-powered planning tool. Prompt example: ChatGPT. Write a distribution business plan for a startup specializing in eco-friendly packaging products. Action steps: define your business model, B2B, B2C, drop shipping, warehousing, etc. Estimate startup and operating costs. Forecast revenue and profitability. Include logistics and inventory management plans. Step 3. Register your business and handle legal compliance. While AI can't file legal paperwork for you, it can guide you through the process. AI tools: ChatGPT, LegalZoom AI Assistant, Do Not Pay AI Legal Assistant. Prompt example: ChatGPT. What licenses and permits are needed to start a distribution business in Florida? Action steps: choose your business structure, LLC, Corp, Sole Proprietor. Get an EIN from the IRS. Apply for relevant state and local business licenses. Set up a business bank account. Step 4. Source products and suppliers using AI. AI tools can help you analyze supplier reliability, prices, and logistics capabilities. AI tools: ChatGPT, Alibaba AI Supplier Finder, Import Yeti, ThomasNet. Prompt example: ChatGPT. Find reliable wholesale suppliers for organic skincare products in the U.S. suitable for distribution. Action steps: use supplier platforms to compare pricing and MOQs. Evaluate AI-generated supplier ratings and logistics compatibility. Order samples and test product quality. Negotiate terms and build supplier relationships. Step 5. Set up inventory and warehouse management. AI simplifies inventory forecasting, stock rotation, and space optimization. AI tools: NetSuite with AI inventory tools, Zoho Inventory with AI insights, ChatGPT for inventory SOP creation. Prompt example: ChatGPT. Create an inventory management SOP for a small warehouse distributing fitness accessories. Action steps: decide whether to lease a warehouse or use 3PL, third-party logistics. Use AI inventory systems to track and manage stock levels. Set reorder points and automate alerts for low stock. Step 6. Develop branding and packaging. AI can help you create your brand name, logo, packaging design, and brand voice. AI tools: Loca AI logo design, Canva AI graphic design, Copy.ai branding language, ChatGPT. Prompt example: ChatGPT. Create a brand identity guide for a B2B distributor of reusable food containers. Action steps: name your business and register a domain. Design a professional logo and packaging. Create a tagline and brand voice. Use AI-generated mockups to visualize your packaging. Step 7. Build an AI-powered website and e-commerce platform. AI enables you to create a high-converting website with minimal coding. AI tools. Wix ADI. Shopify with AI themes. ChatGPT for content. Durable.co AI website builder. Prompt example, ChatGPT. Write homepage content for a wholesale distribution company supplying restaurant-grade kitchen tools. Action steps. Choose a platform and buy a domain. Use AI to design and write content. Set up B2B or B2C ordering capabilities. Include real-time inventory and order tracking. Step 8. Market your business using AI-driven strategies. Marketing is crucial to scale your distribution business. AI helps with SEO, content, email campaigns, and social media. AI tools. Jasper.ai or Copy.ai for marketing copy. ChatGPT. Surfer SEO. MailChimp AI, email campaigns. Hootsuite with AI scheduling. Prompt example, ChatGPT. Create a 30-day marketing plan for a distribution business targeting small retail stores in the Southeast U.S. Action steps. Build a content calendar. Use AI to generate social media posts and blog articles. Launch paid ads on Google and Meta. Automate email campaigns to engage prospects. Step 9. Streamline logistics and delivery operations. Optimize your distribution channels and transportation routes with AI. AI tools. ShipStation. Locus.ai, route optimization. Alajua, AI for logistics. ChatGPT for logistics SOPs. Prompt example, ChatGPT. What's the most efficient delivery route plan for shipping to 50 retail stores weekly across 3 states? Action steps. Choose shipping partners or build your own fleet. Use AI to predict delivery timeframes and optimize costs. Set up tracking and real-time updates for customers. Automate fulfillment for recurring orders. Step 10. Monitor performance and use AI for analytics. AI gives real-time insights into your KPIs, sales trends, customer behavior, and inventory flow. AI tools. Tableau with AI analytics. Microsoft Power BI with Copilot. Zoho Analytics. ChatGPT for data interpretation. Prompt example, ChatGPT. Analyze this monthly sales report and suggest what product lines to focus on or discontinue. Action steps. Set up dashboards to monitor sales, returns, fulfillment time, and customer feedback. Use AI to spot patterns and optimize pricing. Test new products or bundles based on data insights. Continuously improve based on performance metrics.